Welcome to the EPG Lab. Today we're going to be running extensive tests on the Vdry products. These solutions are designed to protect cargo against moisture damage during shipping. This is the Doc. He's going to be lending us a hand today. Hey Doc. While the Doc gets everything ready for today's test, let's take a moment to introduce the Vdry range. First up is the Vdry Bag, a collection of high-performance desiccant bags. The Vdry blanket is an ultra-absorbent blanket that protects goods against condensation on the container ceiling. Finally, the Vdry liner is a breathable and water-resistant container lining to protect against condensation and contamination on the walls and floor. Right, let's take a look at how the Vdry products perform when exposed to extreme levels of moisture. As we already know, the Vdry bag is a desiccant that absorbs humidity from the container air and converts it into a gel. Tell us, Doc, how much does the Vdry bag weigh now? Make a note so we can see how much it absorbs. Now we're going to need a cargo, for example, coffee, that must maintain its freshness over the course of long shipments, from origins of high temperatures to destinations in cooler climates. Let's get the Doc a robe. And a few stones for the sauna. And steam. A lot of steam. Be careful. Don't faint. We can also test the absorption of the Vdry blanket by adding 250 liters of water. Get your umbrella ready, Doc. Wow. Look at all that water it can hold. For the Vdry bag results, we'll need to wait a bit longer. Doc, it's been 2 months already? It's flown by, and I'm liking this new look. But to the important matter at hand, the results of our grand experiment. No steam in the air. That's a good start, Doc. Hold on a second, Doc. It's time for a shave, don't you think? That's much better. Let's continue. Wow, look how much it absorbed. You're number one, Doc. Thanks to the latest ultrasonic technology, the Vdry bag is hermetically sealed and leak-proof. A microporous membrane facilitates the flow of humid air and subsequent absorption by a high-capacity gel recipe. What's more, there are 5 different models to suit the needs of each and every one of our customers. But the Vdry bag wasn't the only product we tested, was it, Doc? Why don't you tell us how much the Vdry blanket absorbed? It's heavy, isn't it? The Vdry blanket is a hyper-absorbent blanket that acts as an impermeable barrier between your goods and the condensation on the container ceiling. The Vdry blanket is a hyper-absorbent blanket that acts as an impermeable barrier between your goods and the condensation on the container ceiling. Incredible! Now, without much further ado, it's time for the final test, the Vdry liner. Are you ready, Doc? The Vdry liner is a water-resistant container lining that keeps goods clean and dry throughout shipping. So, how will it fare in our next test? Wow. Thanks to its high-performance impermeable film, the Vdry liner keeps goods protected against condensation on the walls. It's treated with medical-grade mold inhibitor to ensure a clean and contaminant-free environment. To make sure all your needs are covered, the Vdry liner comes in 3 different models. The Vdry products benefit from materials that are hand-picked for their high absorption characteristics. These are lightweight and easy to use, free of toxic components, and eliminate the risk of leaking. Excellent, Doc. I think we deserve a nice cup of coffee to celebrate a job well done. 2 sugars for me, please.